project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Debian style from the early doll century. Check this out. There's a private pond on the property.
No, this one is too boring. And smells like fish.
This is already the 10th house I'm showing you. What do you want?
I want our house to be luxurious, with lots of gold and bright colors. Oh, and a swimming pool.
A swimming pool? Where am I going to find that? Sue! I'm desperate.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll help you. Girls, are you okay with that?
Totally. Just don't forget about the pool.
Great! Then let's start the construction. First of all, our house needs walls. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a house, right? Let's put these together. Okay, where does this belong? Oh, I got it.
Hey, where is all the furniture? And the pool?
We're just getting started. Be patient, please.
Tough client, huh?
They're too bossy.
There is something else. I brought the bathtub, and it's super heavy. Help me!
Got you. The dolls said they want lots of gold in their home. And I have just the right place to make that bathtub look unique. Oh, and to make it sturdier, we will add these golden legs. Wait a second. Why I have only 2 here?
Maybe I should become a hairdresser. I guess real estate is not my thing.
Don't talk nonsense, Sammy. You are doing great. You are just not very lucky with the clients. Now we need a shower.
I'm on it, Sue. I made it myself. Look!
Looks awesome. Let's attach it right here. And also add this cute little tap. I have some design ideas for the toilet as well. Oh, it is so heavy. What's wrong? Come on.
What? I just wanted to test it. No big deal.
Oh no, you can't test it until we're finished here, okay? All those dolls. Where was I? Right, the golden design. I will add another beautiful lace to the lower part. Let's also decorate the lid with rhinestones. It truly looks luxurious. Oh, my feta. Looks like I won't have any quiet work time today.
Sorry, I just can't wait to move into our new house.
Anyway, this wall goes here.
And we can get to the kitchen. I'm almost done with the fridge.
Great! Then I will help you with the door. I want to make a couple of notches to make it look like real fridge doors. We will also decorate them with some matching design. Cool! Now we need some handles so the dolls can open the fridge easily. Very well. And everything goes together like this. Our pretty fridge will stand over here. We need to fill it with food, though.
Hey there! Food delivery!
Thanks, Courier Sam. You are right on time. We will put all of it inside the fridge.
Do you think this shade of pink is bright enough for our dolls?
I would say it's perfect. But still, we need to enhance it with some golden accents. Remember? The cabinet needs 3 doors. Voila! Let's glue them to the right place. Here. And we shouldn't forget about the handles as well.
Ah, what a nice smell. Check out these beautiful flowers, Sue.
Wow! They will be a perfect match for the kitchen cabinet.
What? The handles? Okay, I will find something else.
Sammy, try to find some yellow roses. I'm sure they will look great in our interior. And I will finish with the rest of it. For example, I will add a counter on top and attach this beautiful shiny tile to the wall. Looks awesome.
Ooh, is it some kind of a bed? And the fridge is near. It's like a dream.
You are wrong. It's the kitchen counter. You will cook here. Look, here's your stove.
I'm so lucky. So, I found a meadow full of roses.
Awesome, Sammy. Let's pick them. I have a great place for them in the kitchen. We will also add a basket with vegetables, so the dolls eat healthy, and our kitchen is ready. It's time to take care of the bedroom. To make a luxurious bed, we need a sturdy base.
Maybe I can be a fashion designer. Look at my outfit.
It's really cool, but I think it's not very comfortable.
I guess you're right.
But this lace can be a great addition to the special bed we are making. I really like how it's coming out.
Hey, why the bed is so hard?
Because we didn't add the mattress yet. Now it should be soft enough. We need a headboard too. I guess this shape looks good. Let's cut it out.
I want to help. Snippity snip.
Cool, thank you. But let's make our headboard softer, so the dolls can sit comfortably if they want.
More gold, more beads, more luxury.
Okay. The client is always right. Let's attach the beads all over the headboard. And even more. We'll add them at the edge too. This bed is so comfy. It makes me very sleepy.
Me too. One sheep, two. I can't do it. These pillows are too beautiful.
That means they will look great in our dollhouse. Now, let's add a purple rug near the bed.
And put a pair of slippers so our dolls don't freeze their feet in the morning.
The bedroom is ready. Let's get to the swimming pool.
This swimming pool seems too shallow.
Hey, get out of there! We are still working!
Our dolls wanted more bright colors in the house, so we'll make a rainbow design for the pool. The mirror will add even more colors to the water. And don't forget about the garage entrance. It should be neat and nice. Great! We also will decorate the hallway.
I have some yellow beads left. Take them!
Wow! We made such a beautiful panel. Let's hang it above the door. The floor will be white.
Then the carpet should be red. I love this combination.
I think this tall arch will be a great addition to our interior. The doors go here. We also have these cute handles for them. Oh, and we shouldn't forget about the roof, of course. It might rain any time. Let's add this pretty ornament in the doll's bedroom. Sammy, have a look! Oh, you are gonna love it!
Would you just look at this? It's like a real red carpet.
Uh-oh, I hope there are no paparazzi around. I don't wear makeup.
Hey, look here. Wow, awesome!
Sammy, don't get carried away.
Okay, I'll cut it out.
I will start assembling the sofa from the back. First, let's make the upholstery. And add some golden decor, of course. I need the armrests. Ahem, Sammy!
I just finished them, Sue. Here you go.
You did awesome job. Thank you. Here go the cushions, so it's more comfortable to sit. And, of course, more decor. Oh, I want to add some beads on the back of the sofa, too.
I think we can add more glow to the couch.
All right, Sammy. Here we go. Let's add more shine to it. Like this. Sam, what are you doing?
We are bringing you the table. Take it, girls. Go, go, go. Just a little more. Almost there.
Heavy.
I'll take it from here. We'll put it near the sofa. It is so cozy. Best place for some tea.
Say no more. Chef Sam is gonna take care of it. First, make a base from this beautiful green clay. Now decorate it with some cool designs from white clay. You can do the rest. Right, Sue?
Of course. Here I will make a twisted line. And here goes a wave. And a net on the upper part. Now comes my favorite. Cherries on top. Yummy. A great treat for the housewarming party. Now the last touches. We need the stairs, right? The car goes into the garage. And the water goes right into the pool. Great!
So, do you like it?
We're so happy. Finally, we found our home. Yay!
Hail, Tibidaba! The deal is closed. Hooray!
What a beautiful morning. Today I woke up on the right side of the bed. There's nothing better than a bubble bath to start the day. Wee! Good morning, Blondie. Did you sleep well? Oh, this sofa is so soft. Glad to hear that. Am I hungry? No. Hey, let's better go swimming in the pool. Stop it! Hey there by the pool. Did you forget that we have a party today?
Oh, yes! Woohoo! Yay! Hey, look here! Everyone, please say cheese!
This is the best party ever! That's right! Wow, their pool is just awesome! This cake is so delicious!
We did it, Sammy! I'm so happy! Friends, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up to that video. Bye!
One more photo! See you around! Guard! Find the monster who's doing this! Home, Sydney! And you're pulling us!
Well, at least we know one thing. The twins are behind this.
Yeah, but then who is? Whoever it is, they had to use some kind of magic. So maybe Ed the Wizard can help.
Stealing dreams? Why, that's the simplest of simple things to do. You just need a dream catcher.
A dream catcher?
Yes, every wizard worth his worth in wizardry has one. But, where is it? Oh, it's disappeared! Someone must have stolen my stealer of dreams!
Well, we now know how they're stealing the dreams, but we still don't know who is doing it.
We wizards have a wizardly saying, if you want to catch a butterfly catcher, all you need is a big enough net.
So if we make a big enough dream catcher, we can catch the dreams and the person stealing them?
Completely and exactly. Now, let's see. You're going to need a strong net, a branch in the shape of a Y, and these magic words.
Ah, we can borrow the net from the penguin's fishing boat.
And I'm sure we can find a Y-shaped branch in a tree outside.
No, that will never work. The branch must come from the forest of sleep. But be carefully careful to avoid branches in the shape of a Z. They will make you fall asleep.
So, what's wrong with a little catnap?
It's the wrongest of wrongs. If you fall asleep in the forest of sleep, you'll turn into a tree.
I'm doomed. I'm a cat. I sleep 25 hours a day.
But, Sir Kitty Cat, there are only 24 hours in a day.
See? I told you I was doomed. So, how can we be sure we're in the forest of... Ouch! Hey, that hurt!
Better than becoming a tree. Hey, is this Y-shaped? Ouch!
Payback! Learn your alphabet!
Found one.
Perfect!
Vanilla Ellis! 87!
Let's get out of here before Sir Kitty Cat starts sprouting leaves!
I got some Z branches in here, just in case we need them.
We did it! Our giant dream catcher is ready. Now we just need someone as fate to lure the dream thief.
Not again! Countess! Oh, my Countess! My heart is in a fog! Countess! Oh, my Countess! You make me wish that I was a dog. I can't take it anymore!
Ah, I think we found our bait.
Okay, all you have to do is take a nap and have sweet dreams. When the thief comes to steal your dream, we'll catch him with this.
There's just one problem. I'm not sleepy anymore.
I can fix that.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
Good job! Let's get in position. He's starting to dream. Oh, hey, the thief stole the dream. Go for it, Fiona. Dream catcher, catch well, catch true. Catch the dream and the catcher too. Zsa Zsa? Hey there. You're the dream thief? Thief? No, I just wanted to borrow a few dreams. Why? Because I never have dreams and I wanted to see what they were like. When I saw how pretty and happy they were, I thought I'd share them on the screens with everyone. Everyone has dreams, Zsa Zsa, even you. You just don't remember them. I do? Yes, but you know, dreams are very personal. We shouldn't take or share them without asking. Oh, Zsa Zsa! You have no chance of escaping our Halo cage, Zsa Zsa. Yeah, you're gonna pay for embarrassing us like that. Sure. What do you want? Marbles? Bubblegum? You know, now that we have Zsa Zsa, we also have the Dream Catcher. We could use it to capture Billy's dreams. And embarrass her into giving us her kingdom. Let's go shop online for furniture for a castle. The nerve of them. First they take Zsa Zsa, and now they want to steal your dreams, princess? Don't worry, Fiona. I have an idea. Truman, do you still have any Z branches left?
Uh-huh, plenty.
Good. Now here's what we're going to do. Oh, this is a fine mess you've got me into.
Zsa Zsa.
Oh, Truman.
I need you to catch Sydney's dream.
But, Sydney, stop sleeping. There's our signal. Sydney's dreaming. Perfect. Dream catcher, catch well, catch true. Catch the dream and the catcher, too. Wow. more dream catching. Well, maybe just one more. Yours. Oh, yay!
See? I told you I was tired.
I guess some dreams do come true.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness, for showing me that I have dreams too. We are so lucky to have a princess like you, and I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. They're right. I do sleep with my kitty cat, and that's nothing to be embarrassed about.
Yeah, I still sleep with a blanket I got when I was a baby.
Well, if we're telling personal secrets, I still sleep with my panda. So do I. We're sorry we laughed at you, Billy. That's okay. Maybe we can all play with our favorite toys now?